Okay guys, to create a new project, you should click the second icon which is here. Click the icon and you will get 7 aspect ratios for your project. You can select any aspect ratio according to your wish, but the most appropriate aspect ratio for uploading the video to YouTube is 16:9 or widescreen. This is the 16:9 aspect ratio. So this tutorial is based on 16:9 ratio. I click on that, and as soon as I click that, KineMaster opens media browser for me to import some media to the timeline. Let me click the back button first. So this is the KineMaster's editing panel. As you can see, there are a few icons on the left. This is the back button, this is the undo, this is the redo, this is full screen mode, and this is settings gear option. And to increase the timelines, this icon is to increase the timeline, and this is to move the video playhead from start to finish. I'll explain you that later. As you can see that the bottom, this is called timeline, and this black box is called preview window, where you can preview the video while you edit. This is the interface where all the editings happen. So let me import a video right now. For importing a video, you should go to the media, to open the media browser, and I select the video to edit. I want to edit a video, this video. I want to edit this video. As soon as I click that, I will get a notification like this, because I recorded that video at 4K resolution with my camera, but I am only permitted to edit my videos in full HD. KineMaster says, "Hey MohanShashank, you have recorded that video in 4K, but I do not support the 4K. I only will make you edit in full HD, so I will make you a copy of that 4K resolution to full HD." So I'll click on OK. I should listen KineMaster. Yes, the video is now imported to our timeline. Click on the tick here to close this. And yes, the video is imported to the timeline. I said this was the timeline, and do you see a red line here? That is called playhead. That's the most important in this topic. That's the playhead. This is the timeline, and this is the preview window where you can preview your video while you edit. Now the playhead is at the last of the video. So to move this playhead starting, I set this button to move to the start of the video, to the end of the video. You should hold the button and you will get 3 options: move to the beginning, move to the end, and move to the previous point. I click move to the beginning so that the playhead moves to the beginning. Now let me play the video for you. Hello guys, how are you all? Hope you all are doing great. My name is MohanShashank Reddy from English World. My name is MohanShashank Reddy and I am from English World. So there are a few mistakes here. So let me move to the timeline, to the start of the video. Yes, I'm not sure that the video has started at the particular point. So what should I do right now? I should expand the timeline's duration. You can do it in many ways. I will do like this. To expand the timeline, I'm not increasing the duration of the video, I'm just increasing the timeline. So let me play that again. Hello guys, I started speaking at this point. Hello guys. So I started speaking at this point. So I do not want the left of the portion, right? I do not want this portion. What should I do? I have 2 options here. The first option is to trim the video, and the second option is to split the video. What is meant by split? Splitting is nothing but cutting the video in 2 parts. The playhead cuts the video in 2 parts so that I can select the first video and I can delete. Now I have another option to trim. Trim is nothing but removing the unwanted portions. Now let me show you the 2 methods. First I select the video, and as soon as I select the video, I get a scissor right here. This is the scissor which is used for trimming and splitting. So let me click the scissor here first, and I have 4 options here: trim to left of the playhead, trim to right of the playhead, split at playhead, split and insert freeze frame. The first option, trim to left of playhead, in the sense KineMaster trims the left of the portion of the playhead. This is the playhead and it trims the left of the portion. I want that. So I click the first option. As soon as I click that, this portion will be deleted. See, that was deleted. Let me click the tick mark here and let me play the video.
Hello guys, how are you all? Hope you...
Right.
Hello guys, how are you all?
This is the play button.
Hope you all are doing great. My name is MohanShashank Reddy from English World. My name is MohanShashank Reddy and I am from English World.
There is another mistake here. Huge mistake.
English World. How are you all? Hope you all are doing great.
I will split the video right here because this is unwanted portion for me. I select the video, I go to the scissor and I select to split at playhead. Splitting at playhead in the sense it cuts the video at the playhead. You watch here, I'll select split at playhead and yes. So this is one video and this is one video right now. I split the video and I'll play this video.
Great. My name is MohanShashank Reddy from English World. My name is MohanShashank Reddy and I am from English World.
So let me go to the area where I did the mistake.
Shashank Reddy from English World.
So I started speaking here and I don't want the left of the portion. So what should I do? I select the video and I go to the scissor. And what should I do, guys? I can split at playhead and I can trim to left of playhead because I don't want the left of the portion. So I'll click split at playhead, click the tick mark here and let me zoom out the timeline so that you can, yes, like this. I don't want this video right now. This is a video, this is a video and this is another video. Let me play this video first.
Great. My name is MohanShashank Reddy from English World. My name is MohanShashank Reddy and I am from
So I don't want this portion of the playhead. So I click the video and click the trash icon which is here. You see, it will not appear here. If you select the video, then only it appears here. Click the trash icon so that the video deletes. So let me play the video again. Hit the play button.
Hello guys, how are you all? Hope you all are doing great. My name is MohanShashank Reddy and I am from English World.
Excellent guys, right? I trimmed the video somewhere and I split the video somewhere. Yes, this is the way how we can trim the video and split the video.